A lot of people has been complaining about cakey under eye after doing their makeup. What could be the cause? Is there a solution? Well, we'll find that out in this video, because in this video I'll be telling you the possible reasons why your under eye appears cakey after your makeup, and of course what you're going to do to make sure that you don't experience such after your makeup. If this looks like what you want, make sure you watch this video to the last minute, because I will be telling you everything you need to know bit by bit, and of course the process of achieving this flawless under eye after your makeup. Hi lovelies, good to see you again. So today we'll be talking about the reason why your under eye normally crease anytime you do your makeup. I mean, after doing your makeup you'll be seeing some lines here. If this looks like what you want, if you've been going through this, I advise you to stay and watch this video to the very last second. The number one reason why your under eye always appear cakey after doing your makeup is because you don't moisturize it so well. Nobody sweats here. This place is always dry. Even when you have a very oily skin, you will still notice that this part of your face is so dry. That's why you need like 2 to 3 layers of moisturizer there before you start doing your makeup. Moisturizing your under eye should be one of the most important thing you need to know. You need to be very conscious of your under eye while applying your moisturizer. Even if the moisturizer didn't get to any other part of the face, it must get to the under eye. And when you put the first one, you can allow it to dry, then you layer it again. That is how it should be if you don't want a cakey under eye. Moisturize that your under eyes, moisturize it so well. Now that you have understood how to moisturize your under eye so that you have enough moisture there while doing your makeup, so that your makeup can relax and stay put, let's move to the second reason why your under eye creases after makeup, why you appear to have a cakey under eye after doing your makeup. Let's go to the next reason. Another reason why that your makeup appear cakey at the end of everything is because you're applying your foundation under the eyes. You don't put your foundation under the eyes. When you want to put your foundation, you target here, these areas, this side, then you blend it to the under eyes. So I'll show you how that is done in this video. You pick it with whatever you're using to apply it on your face, then you focus here, you put it here, and then when you put it here, you now blend it to the other places you need it to be. Can you guys see how I blended that out? I added it here, then after blending it, I will now drag it up, almost like there will be nothing on this beauty blender that I will put under my eyes. Yes. So if you have dark under eye and you're wondering how to do it, of course you need to use a corrector. Use a corrector instead of packing foundation to cover it up, because the more foundation you put under eye, the likely the appearance of lines and everything when you're done with that makeup. So just be conscious of it. Lay your foundation and then you blend to the under eye. You don't add foundation to your under eye. Another possible reason why your under eye is breaking after makeup is excess use of concealer. There are ways you use the concealer on your face and it will scatter everything for you. You don't need excess concealer on your face, but if you want your under eye to look so bright, you can use a lighter shade of concealer. Yes, you can use a lighter shade of concealer, but using too much concealer under the eyes is a no. This is just how you do it. Just take the concealer, add a little here at the inner corners of the eye, and then add a little at the outer corner of the eye, just to lift the face. That is how you do your concealer, and then you do the same on this eye also. Now this is just the little concealer you need under the eye. Anything more than this is too much. Anything more than this is too much. You can even use less. So let's just go ahead and blend the concealer. Of course, you know that while blending anything on your face, you're supposed to do it in a dabbing motion. I don't know if there's any English like that. You're supposed to dab it just like this. Now that the concealer has been blended out, that takes us to the next possible reason why your under eye is creasing. Yes, and that is not setting your under eye properly. While blending the under eye, you're supposed to have your setting powder handy. It's supposed to be there waiting for you. Immediately after blending it out, you're supposed to dab it and then set the under eye. And so make sure that your setting powder is already there while you're blending this concealer. And don't ask me why I haven't set mine, because this is a tutorial and I need to teach you. Yes, I need to teach you. That is why I haven't done mine. So whenever you're blending your under eye, make sure that your setting powder is already there waiting for you. And of course, you need to do it the right way, which I'm going to teach you in this video. So stay with me. Let's just move to the part of the setting powder. Now to set your face, just pick that setting powder and then rub it over your hand so that you will have a smooth surface, and then you go ahead and what, set your face with this smooth surface that you have now, so that you will not end up with a patchy under eye. And of course, do that and spread it. Okay, now that we've set our under eye, do you see how flawless that looks? So you see, your under eye have no reason to crease. You have no reason to have any lines under here when you follow this procedure I've given you. First of all, you moisturize so well. Secondly, don't put your foundation under your eyes. It's a no. And of course, use little concealer. I said little concealer, little, and make sure you set when you're supposed to set. And of course, while setting, set the right way, set with the right amount of products. Like I always say it all the time, whatever you're using, use little products. So do you see how flawless the under eye looks right now? If you want to achieve a flawless under eye after your makeup, make sure you follow these procedures I've given you in this video. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and of course share. And don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section down below. If there is any type of look you want me to do, or you have any issue with your makeup, do well to drop it for me in the comment section, and of course I will do my best to look into it. See you in my next video. Bye. I love you guys.